Hello mga ka-Tebes! Welcome here at Tebes Glam Team. And for today's ganap, we have pre-devotion. After ng ating hair and makeup transformation, let's go na sa ating location. And we are here at Grand Terrazas, Balisong, Taal, Batangas. We arrive at sinalubong na kami ni ma'am at tinuro ang room, then we retouch, then after touch, this is the first look ng ating debutant. For the first look, soft glam, fairy princess ang ating peg. Nilagyan din natin siya ng headpiece. For the second look, yan, change tayo ng gown at napakaganda pa rin ng ating debutant. And this is the third look, ang kanyang ball gown, pink ribbon. It's fairy princess pa rin natin at tinaasa natin ang kanyang hair para magmukhang glamorous. Then pack up na tayo sa ating first location and welcome to Calatagan. Dito ang ating second layout sa Steels Beach Resort. Talagang napakaganda dito at so relaxing sa ating second location. At syempre, andito tayo sa beach. So fresh, young ang ating look ng ating debutant. So napakaganda ng kinalabasan ng ating mga photoshoot and video. For your booking appointment, mga madam, please message to our Facebook page, Tebes Salon and Spa. And bye!